Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. It's ArneishaNicole and welcome back to my channel. First, I want to say thank you guys so much for getting your girl past 1,000 followers. Well, subscribers, whatever you want to call you guys. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you so much. So today we're reviewing another butter lace unit from Sensationnel. And I know you guys are like, girl, how many of these do you have? So today I'm reviewing Butter Unit 7 in a color Flamboyant Blonde. It's the same color that the model has on the stock card, and I think it was so cute, so I got it from Wigtypes for $40. So she has standard cap construction. She has the two combs in the front, the comb in the back, the adjustable straps. She has baby hairs. And she has about a 5 to 6 inch part, nice deep part, and lace around the perimeter and baby hairs, if I didn't mention that. So yeah, let's get into the review, okay? So right here, I was not feeling it, y'all. Like, just being completely transparent, I was like, I don't know. It's gonna work. And then I was having a little dance break. Y'all know how I break it down. I be blasting my music. But anywho, so I'm doing my standard install. Okay, get it, girl. Ooh. Okay, back to the review. But you guys know I'm just combing it out a little bit to see how the curls are looking, and I'm dancing again. Go, girl. Anywho, now I'm about to do my edges and put my pressed powder in. I'm going in with my pomade stick. And I mean, I really didn't have to do much to her. I feel like I could have blended my part a lot better than what I did, but it is what it is, and I was still cute, so that's one period. So as far as the pros go, I love the color. I just didn't like how it looked on me initially until it grew on me a little bit. I was just tripping. The style is really cute, you know. It's giving Farrah Fawcett, you know, with the hair, the curls flipping back. So that was really cute. She is super big head friendly compared to Unit 5 that I did. That one was still big head friendly, but it was I didn't like the placement of the combs. The placement of the combs on this one was fine. And she was very easy to style. So I had no issue styling her. I just feel like I could have did my part a little better, but it is what it is. So the cons, this one will tangle, honey. She will tangle. I peeped that from the jump, and I feel like she's gonna tangle really bad. So yeah, I was getting snacks right there. And I got a little bit of shedding, but it wasn't nothing to be like hella dramatic about. But that was about it. As of right now, would I recommend this wig? Y'all, I don't really know. It's up to you. If you could deal with a little bit of tangling, I mean, I would say get it, but I don't know. I just don't know. Based off of this one, I don't know, honey. But I mean, she's still a look. She cute. I put a little fedora on to show y'all a little fall look. And then also, I'm going to put a headband on to show you guys how that looks too, how to style that 2 ways. And I thought this was so cute. I started feeling myself right here. I was like, yeah, girl, woo woo. But yeah, guys, I would suggest getting her if you like her and trying her out for herself, because, you know, your opinion may be different than mine. So guys, thank you so much once again, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the post notification bells on, and have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Mwah.